What's up guys, this is me Radhan here, back with another new tutorial video. So in this video I will provide you a simple tutorial that how you can apply the dark theme of YouTube both in app and also in their website. So it's pretty simple, it helps you to protect your eyes. So the tutorial will be pretty easy, just follow some steps and procedure. So let's go to the initial tutorial. So to enable the dark theme of YouTube, you need to go to YouTube at first. Then as you can see, we are on the YouTube homepage. Click on the icon of Gmail, as you can see right here. Now once I click on that, then click on the settings icon. Once you click on settings, then click on general, and once you select the general, you will see the third option, appearances. Just simply click on that, and it is selected to light theme. Now we will choose the dark theme. As you can see, our phone turned from light to dark. Let me tell you an advantage of this dark theme as well. It will protect your eye if your phone is an OLED display. In LCD display, it only shows the dark theme as a example, not like it work as in OLED display that every backlit work to save the power of battery, but it will not work in the LCD display. It will just show the dark theme and that's it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you do, smash the like button, comment below that what type of tutorial you wanted to see next. I will bring that type of tutorial video next week. Until then, stay fine and peace out.